This video is not a clickbait, and this is not a trial. ON1 is giving away ON1 Effects 2025 for free. If you're a photographer or photo editor, this is something you don't want to miss. ON1 just launched a free product offer, and it's their professional photo effects software. But keep this in mind, this offer is only valid until January 12, 2026. You missed the date and it's gone. So here's what you need to do. Click the link in the description and you will be directed to the ON1 Effects 2025 page. Add it to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. It's super simple. No payment info, no subscription. And once you're done, the software is all yours to keep forever. Now, let me give you a quick look at what you get inside the ON1 Effects 2025. You won't get all the advanced features like Sky Swap AI, Mask AI, or Resize AI. You also won't get the new effects like split fill or motion. All you do get are the basics adjustments, and effects from the ON1 Photo RAW 2025. But there are still very powerful tools to edit your photo, like match color, to match the color and tone from reference photo, split tone, to give an antique or vintage look to your photo, black and white, film grain, and many more creative effects. Even though it's free, ON1 Effects 2025 is still a solid tool for photo editing, so make sure you don't miss this offer. By the time this video is published, I think you only get 2 or 3 days left. So, again, click on the link in the description to get the ON1 Effects 2025 for free before January 12. Alright, that's it for this video. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.